From beautiful downtown Lancaster, PA, as they say here. Before I moved here, I called it Lancaster. Now that I'm here, I have to say Lancaster. So anyway, we are looking at a beautiful Kimber K6S. This is called the DASA model, DASA, which literally means double action, single action. They literally call it the Kimber K6S DASA. So this is in a beautiful custom-made leather holster by a gentleman out of Florida who calls himself ADS Leather Maker. This is a gorgeous little setup. So before we even take the gun out, we're going to see that this pouch accommodates a speed strip with 6 rounds of your favorite hollow point ammunition. I don't even know if I'd say favorite. I don't even know what was in there, whatever 6 rounds I happen to put in there that day. And you'll obviously notice that this K6S has Hogue grips on there instead of the factory wood ones, which I do still have. This was just seemed like a better alternative for me for carrying it, and it doesn't want to jump out of your hand because it is kind of a small package for really heavy hot loads. It'll handle them, but in that slick wood grip it will try to jump a little bit. So let's look at those recessed cylinders first. Not everyone's doing that anymore, but this is what I'm going to call a premium revolver. So Kimber K6S DASA, beautiful 3-dot sights, very natural pointing gun, a brushed stainless finish. It has a wonderful pull. I mean, this thing is known for the double action pull, just very, distinct and crisp. I've been using that word a lot today, but the single action for targeting, it's a step away from literally willing the gun to go off. So Kimber K6S DASA. This is something I picked up brand new for about, well, I know what it cost, $999. So to me, it's worth it. Gotta pay if you want to play. So I also have 2 speed loaders for it. Now, the typical ones that I have for my Smith & Wessons do not fit it, because you'll see how this is really machined to be as tight as possible. There's almost no space in between those rounds, and they are sharp. They're nice speed loaders without a doubt, but they go well, they complement the gun well. But I think the best thing I have for it is that holster and that $20 Hogue grip. Kimber K6S DASA. This is my carry revolver. Has been since I got it, and it's going on a year. I don't remember exactly when I bought it. Funny thing is, when I bought it and I did the paperwork and it was double checked, I forgot to fill out one block. I think it said not Hispanic or Hispanic. I literally forgot to put an X in there, and I had to go back after I already had the pistol to notate that. And I commend the shop for not just putting an X in it. Even after I told them the answer to the question, I did have to go back. And I understand it was overlooked, but they got audited, I think, and saw that. All right, so Kimber K6S DASA. Thanks for watching. What do you guys think of this? Who owns one of these? What do you think of it? I love it. I really do. Makes a very nice carry package. All right, thanks for watching.